Good morning, children. Let us discuss values of trigonometric ratios with angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, and 90 degree. First, you will learn how to find out the values of sine theta. It is base of all trigonometric ratios values. You see here in this table, you should learn, we should write 0 by 4 root, 1 by 4 root, 2 by 4 root, 3 by 4 root, 4 by 4 root. And by solving them, you can see here 0 by any number is 0 whose root is 0. 1 root is 1 and 4 root is 2. That's why it is 1 by 2. 2 is cancelled with 4 and by cancelling it we are getting 1 by 2. 1 root is 1 and 2 root is root 2. It is root 3 and root of 4 is 2. That's why it is root 3 by 2. 4 is cancelled with 4. That's why we are getting 1. Now these are values of sine theta. Sine 0 degree, sine 30 degree, sine 45, sine 60, sine 90. Now let's find out the values of cos theta. Cos theta and sine theta are related, means what are the values of cos theta? You can see here, these are all in the reverse order. It is 1, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and it is 0. In this way you can learn. And tan theta is sine theta upon cos theta. You can see here 0 upon 1 is 0. And by dividing these two, we will get 1 by root 3. By dividing these two, we will get 1. By dividing these two, we will get root 3. And 1 upon 0 is not defined. Because in the rational number, denominator should not be 0. Cosec theta is reciprocal of sine theta. These are the values of sine theta. Whenever you will take reciprocal of them, you will get cosec theta. Secant theta is reciprocal of cos theta. Whenever you will take reciprocal of all these values, you will get secant theta. And cot theta is reciprocal of tan theta. Whenever you will take all reciprocal of them, you will get cot theta. In this way, you can learn this trigonometric table. On the behalf of it, you can solve many questions like, let's see first one, sine 60 cos 30, sine 30 cos 60's value. We will replace the values and then we have to add both of them. You can see sine 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2. From this table, you can write. And by writing them, we will multiply both of them. By taking LCM, we are getting 1, which is all value of this expression. Similarly, cos 30, cos 45 minus sine 30 is sine 45. By substituting all the values, we are getting it. In this question, we are having root in the denominator, but we should not leave like this. We have to rationalize it, and you know how to rationalize it. This you do yourself. And then in the next one, what will you learn? 2 tan square 45 degree plus cos square 30 degree plus sine, minus sine square 60 degree. Here again, you have to substitute the value of sine, tan 45, cos 30, and sine 60. By substituting the value, in all the cases, you have to do the square. By squaring, 3 by 4 is cancelled with 3 by 4, and the value is 2. Now the last is 2 cos square 45 plus tan square 60 is multiplied with 2. Here cos 45 is 1 by root 2 whose square is 1 by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 cancel, 1 is left. Tan 60 is root 3 whose square is 3. 3 plus 1 is 4 and 4 to the 8. So in this way we can use trigonometric table. Many questions can be solved by using this trigonometric table. You should learn how to make this table. And we will do many questions based on them. And how we are getting some values that I'll also explain to you in the next class. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.